Yeah, this setup is not doing well for me. Switch it. Yeah, we need to switch it, and we need anti-hedge. Nice. So it. No, just thought about something. If you take a rally that's slow, slow them for 1 second. That slow will last. Will be procced every 5 seconds. The relentless storm. But let's give it a try. Against this champion. Yeah, took it. Good play. Fair enough. I think we defeated this game. Did he take my blue? Yes, he took my blue. Kill her, kill her. Nice. Nice. Nope. We're trolling. Rip. And we need Jean. Nope, no. This one. Yeah, this broken champion is up. This? No. We're going for this. The useless Drake. Yeah, we're taking just useless stuff. That Kane is like trolling. Maybe the enemy team are. Everyone is trolling, to be honest. Even my teammates, even if they are doing well, they are trolling. But this build is like your. To be honest, this build is not good in itself. Build is like meh. Yeah, let them take it. My auto attack speed is very slow. Want to try this. It is a good item on Volibear because it gives you room to heal and sustain in the midst of the fight. Yo, chill, team. Team, chill. Ay, ay, ay. Well, we did heal a lot. Hmm. Ah, shit. Oh, sperma stand. Oh, sperma stand. Someone use his flash. We have Baron, we have Drake. Oh my god, tower choke. Was stunned in the vicinity of the tower for like 6.9 seconds. Can't ping, I can't ping. Chill, 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 chill. Now, this is just like. Oh my god, it's. Well, if anyone wondered what happened in that fight, the the Spectre's what is the Rayleigh Scepter? Yes, the Rayleigh Scepter procs from End in Despair. So I am with approach velocity. I am chasing people constantly. Did we manage to find a new build? It's not normal. Yeah, this is not normal. I think I just created a monster. Let me check. I think I need to get it like cabbage. Instead of Fimble Winter doesn't do anything. But yeah, I need to check if the slow from the item procs the shield. What? Yeah, here at the end. What are we doing here? So he got slowed. Yeah, he's constantly slowed. See this guy. Poor guy. Yeah, we took the stun. Yeah, we stayed stunned. Oh my god. It just got slowed. Okay, so here he will get slowed again. Yeah, he got slowed with the proc. He will get slowed again. I think we just found a cool build to try. I just want to check one thing. You know what? We'll go very quickly to the practice tool. I want to check if the slow procs Fimble Winter. Full list. Okay. So the first time. Now we need to wait 6 seconds. Okay. Oh yeah, it procs the shield. This procs the shield. Look, 3 seconds. I'm not attacking anyone. I'm not touching anyone. Look, you just need to auto attack once. Everyone will get slowed. You slow them for 1 second, and you get approach velocity. See? Yeah. Yeah, you get approach velocity. Yeah, I think we found a new build with Volibear with this item. And you keep grasp up. Me likey.